Hey there, Olympics enthusiasts! Welcome back to our daily update on the most exhilarating sports event on the planet. Today, I'm diving into the thrilling highlights from Day 3 of the Games, and boy, what a day it was. The energy, the excitement, and the sheer display of athleticism were off the charts. First up, let's talk about Team USA. They have been on an incredible journey, showcasing their prowess across various disciplines. They started the day with 12 medals and wrapped it up with a whopping 20. That's right, 8 more medals in just one day. The athletes have truly outdone themselves. The medal tally now stands at 3 gold, 8 silver, and 9 bronze. Each medal represents a story of hard work, perseverance, and triumph. Let's break down those golden moments that had everyone on the edge of their seats. Lee Kiefer made history by clinching gold in women's foil individual. Her finesse and precision were nothing short of breathtaking. Her journey to the top was filled with intense training and unwavering focus. Watching her in action was a masterclass in skill and determination. In the pool, Tori Husky delivered a stunning performance to claim gold in the women's 100-meter butterfly. She was a force of nature, slicing through the water with unparalleled speed and grace. Her victory was a testament to her relentless training and the support of her team and fans. The roar of the crowd as she touched the wall first was deafening, and the men's 4x 100-meter freestyle relay team, comprising Caleb Dressler, Jack Alexi, Hunter Armstrong, and Chris Guiliano, brought home the gold as well. Their synchronized power and determination were simply electrifying. The relay race was a nail-biter, with each swimmer pushing their limits to secure the win. The team's chemistry and coordination were evident in every stroke. But it wasn't just the Americans making waves today. Host country France had an incredible day too, adding 8 medals to their tally, which now stands at 16. They've secured 5 golds, 8 silvers, and 3 bronzes. The French athletes have shown remarkable skill and determination, making their nation proud on home soil. Japan, however, is leading the gold rush with a total of 6 gold medals. They've been dominating in judo and swimming, and their overall count is 12 medals, including 2 silvers and 4 bronzes. What a day! The Japanese athletes have displayed exceptional talent and discipline, particularly in their traditional strongholds like judo. The competition is fierce, and the athletes are giving it their all. Every victory is a testament to their hard work, dedication, and unyielding spirit. As we head into Day 4, the excitement is building, and I can't wait to see what unfolds next. The anticipation is palpable, and the stakes are higher than ever. Will Team USA continue their medal surge? Will Japan maintain their lead in the gold count? Only time will tell. The drama and excitement are far from over. Stay tuned and keep cheering for your favorite athletes. The Olympics is more than just a competition. It's a celebration of human potential and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Catch you later and enjoy the games. Remember, every athlete out there is a hero pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The spirit of the Olympics is alive and well, and we are all part of this incredible journey. Let's continue to support and celebrate these amazing athletes. The stories of triumph, the moments of glory, and the tears of joy are what make the Olympics truly special. Let's cherish every moment. Stay tuned for more updates and keep the Olympic spirit alive in your hearts. Until next time, keep cheering and keep believing in the power of sports. The Olympics is more than just a competition. It's a celebration of human potential and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Let's continue to be inspired by these incredible athletes. Catch you later and enjoy the games. Let's make every moment count and celebrate the spirit of unity and sportsmanship.